In this video, you'll discover how the Knowband Prestashop website decoration effects add-on transforms your online store's look and feel for special occasions. We'll walk through how to activate snow effects, header/footer visuals, random moving elements, and a discount strip, all configured for holidays like Christmas, New Year, or Valentine's Day. You'll see how to set start/end dates, choose which pages show the effects, customize colors and motion, and optimize for mobile and multi-store setups. By the end, you'll know how to elevate your site's festive appeal, attract more user attention, and boost engagement in one simple setup. Hi guys, this is understanding video of Prestashop website decoration module on a Prestashop store. So here we are proceeding with its installation. First, we have to click on Upload a Module File button, which you will be shown as a pop-up like this on a store. So you have to click on Select File. Once you will click on it, it will redirect to the local and where you have to select your file. It will start installing the module on a Prestashop store. Then it will show you a Configure button on your screen once the completion is done of the installation like this. So you have to click on this button and it will redirect you to the general setting page of the module where you will find that module in a disabled state by default. So you have to enable the module so that it can start work on your store. First click on Enable and click on Save so that you will find a success message of the saved configuration. Next is Display the Snow Effect. You have to enable it in case you wanted to show the snow effect on your store. Just go on the front end and find that snow falling on your store. You have to make some modifications. Now, in case you want to display the website decoration on your mobile device, if the client has opened your store on the mobile device, so in case you want to display the website decoration on the mobile device, then you have to enable this setting, else you have to keep it disabled. Next is a frequency maximum display. Frequency, how you want your decoration should be shown to the customer. If a person always visit, then always show that. If a person is coming every time, then only show for 1 visit per hour. Then show the 1 visit per day, 1 visit per week, 1 visit per month. Whatever you require, you can select here. Next is where to display where you want a decoration to be shown on your store. You can show it on all the pages, you can show on the selected pages, and if you want to choose selected pages where it should not be shown, and the rest should be working with the decoration. So you have to select the Do Not Select or Do Not Show on the selected pages so that it will not show the website decoration on the selected pages. Next is a fixed time. If you wanted to enable the decoration for the fixed time, like for the sale or for the seasons, so you can select the date and time till the decoration will be working on your store as a festivity or as an occasional decoration you want. Next is select the snow type. So we have given the 4 default options to choose the snow effect, so you can select any of them. Accordingly, the below options will be shown to configure that snow effect, as we have selected the snow 4. So we have pre-filled details also. You can minus or increase the numbers of the written here, which is required to display the snow effects on our store. So just save the configuration so that once it is saved and we can show the snow effect on our store, just go on the front end and refresh the page. This is how the snow will work on your store, as you can see. Next, we have an option to header element setting. So in the header element setting, you can enable and disable this. In case you want to display the header elements, then you can keep it enabled. Now the option is to where to display. So again, you have to choose any of them in case you wanted to display it on all the pages. Then you can select Show on all the page in case you want to show it on the selected pages. So you have to select the option Show on the selected pages. In case you have a lesser count of pages where you do not want to display, else it will display on complete store. So you have to click on Do Not Show on the selected pages and choose the options, the pages where you do not want to display, or if you have selected Show Not selected, so you have to choose where you want to display. Next again, we have a set pick time in case you want the element to be displayed for the specific time. So just click on it and it will allow you to enter the date and time accordingly. You can choose and save. Next, we have select the element type. So we have 2 options, either to select the existing ones or you can upload it manually. So you can upload any of the images that need to be displayed on the header. So you have to upload the customized element. You have to click on Add a File. It will go to the local and choose the file. So we have selected an image and upload it here. Now, click on Save so that the configuration would be saved in your screen and gives you a message of configuration has been saved successfully. Now go on the front end and refresh the page so that the modification could be displayed on your screen. As you can see, the image is a bit small for the store according to the header element. So we have selected the same. Next, we have footer element, so you have to enable it accordingly. The options are same. You have to select where you want to display. You can choose a specific date and time. You can choose the existing ones in the existing ones. We have given an option for the Christmas, so just click on Save so that the details will be saved and you will have a message again. Go on the front end and refresh the page. Now, if you will scroll, then you will find a footer working on your store, like this. Next, we have the random element. The random element also shows you an element that can be moved from left to right, that can move from top to bottom, left-centered. Or if it is moving, else you can keep it static, and it will be just display the one screen on the specific position. So for that is same where you want to display, you have to select. Then you can click on Settings and Time. Then you have an option to select the element either to existing ones, or you can upload it manually. If you will click on the existing ones, choose among existing elements, you will have option below to choose any of the random elements. So first, let's keep it static on the top left. Click on Save. Once you will click on Save, go on the front end and refresh the page. Now you will find it on the top left with all the details. Next, if you have moving, so you have to select how you want it to move on your store, click on Save so that the configuration would be saved. Now go on the front end and refresh the page. As you can see, it is moving on your store like that. It will keep on moving in case you have enabled it on all the pages. So you just don't need to make anything, just open the every page, and it will keep on moving on the store. Next, we have the discount coupon setting. You have to, this is same, if you wanted to display discount coupon setting, it will display a strip below the footer here, where a discount code will be displayed, which should be pre-configured from the default setting of the store. From here, just create a rule and it will give you a pop-up. It will give you a discount code. Now just make the configuration. How you want your card should be working with the discount next. Go on the action. We are giving the amount of 100 discount. Click on Save. We have a coupon code of text. We have to refresh this and just enter the coupon code name here. Coupon code name and click on Save. So once you will save, you will have a success message, but you have to enable to display it on your front end. Again, you have to enter your coupon name. Just click on Save and find if your coupon is being created. Since on that screen, it will auto-select your coupon, refresh the page, and now here, just enter your coupon. After refreshing the page, discount code, try to enter the coupon here. So as you can see, we have created a coupon code and the coupon code will be auto-searched here. Coupon code is with the name of Xmas. So you just have to enter a few keyword of your entered coupon and you will find the listing of your coupon below this list field. You have to select the coupon and click on Save. Once you will click on Save, you will find the discount code will be appearing on the footer. There will be a footer bar on the store and the coupon will be displayed there. The details which are going to be mandatory. Like the coupon is for the 20% discount on the next order. So if any of the order has been placed, the user will get the 20% discount on that order. So this is how the website decoration module works on the browser of the store. Thank you.